In this video I'm going to show you how to see your Instagram password if you forget it. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. It doesn't matter logged you in or logged you out of your account, you can see your password without restoring that password if you forgot that. Just do the following. So first open up your settings and here scroll down until you find passwords. Select that, and here on that screen you can see all passwords that was saved on your Apple ID account. You can scroll down, you can use search bar to find the specific site like you want, and here I see all the my Instagram passwords from all my Instagram accounts I ever used on that device. So I can just tap on that account and here I see username and the password for that account. If I tap on the passwords, it will be shown right here, and I'll be able to copy that password, then go to my Instagram application and use that username and password to sign into that specific account. I hope it helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.